Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete your HubSpot account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all of your account settings and data. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the settings button. Click on this icon to open up your account settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your HubSpot account, including security and privacy controls. Once the settings panel opens, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice several menu options listed vertically. Make sure you're on the General tab, which should be selected by default. This section contains the basic account settings and gives you access to the more sensitive account management features you'll need for this process. Now, look towards the top of the settings area and click on the security tab. This section is specifically designed for managing your account security features, password settings, and account deletion options. It's where HubSpot keeps all the critical account management tools that affect your entire profile. Next, you'll need to scroll down through the security settings. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled Permanently Remove. This is the area that handles complete account deletion, so it's usually positioned lower in the settings to prevent accidental clicks. Take your time scrolling through to locate this specific section. Once you've found the Permanently Remove section, you'll see an option that says Delete My User Account. Click on this option to proceed with the deletion process. This action will trigger HubSpot's account removal protocol and open up a confirmation screen to verify that you really want to delete your account. A new prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. In the text field provided, type in your email address exactly as it appears on your account. This is a security measure to ensure that only the account owner can initiate the deletion. After entering your email address, click the Delete User button to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your HubSpot account. The account and all associated data will be permanently removed from HubSpot's system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.